Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed on this show by the host or the hosts do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guest or the guests do not reflect those of the host or the hosts and of the channel.
So Wawana, this is our code of conduct.
I got to introduce batho. Le nna bona ke lebetse go introduce. O itse a ke starta podcast ke tlola ke bolelela batho gore ba ba ngitseng ba rekela ke kgozimang. Ba ba ngitseng thata ba rekele tebelele le ntshonyana la bora mesega wa maitsukula ka name. Setlhare sa moretwa se se jetseng fa thoko ga tsela ka sapo la motho le phesuo. Re go amogetse ke podcast ya rona ba ibitsa fela ba re Know Him or Her. Moitse podcast. Ke na le
wa
e tlhalose ka re na hanga mo tlhalosa ke a go senya.
Shabuzete ba fethu. Those who know my content ba itse gore ke nna Wheezy, mara sa tlo Wheezy o ka na re tshumi ya bana.
Yeah. Ke Wheezy ya lo. Ba go itse tshumi ya bana.
Tshumi ya bana.
Ha ba sa ba tlo bitsa Wheezy.
A sa tlo Wheezy.
Wa re mogatlo go eng endlek?
Mogatlo le nna ke tlhaloganya gore mogatla pudi or wa phiri or wa botsane mme mogatla o ke batlana lone.
Mogatla nna
mogatla o ka gore ga ora o mo mora gore ke mogatla pudi ke mogatla wa botsane.
Are ke mogatla
ha o ra wa ke mogatla botsana re no ke mogatla wa phiri he bana. Mogatlo ka ndi ke mogatlo o sena sa pshao.
Re tsentse re batla gore sentle kganyetswa kae.
Mara wena fela ka monna motswana o idzile mogatlaeng.
Ba re mogatla wa kolobe man.
Ke kolobe gape e tla pala. E tla mpalla.
Ai wena tsara se thata se mo.
Ke Setswana.
That's why we no decide lore we pizza Wheezy. Wa or tse dintsi tsa Setswana tse di tlo go pisa tlhogo.
Go bua nnete ba itsebile ga se nna ke iphileng leina leo but story for another day. Yeah.
Wait, I like where we are and what we are doing. This is probably the most unplanned, authentic interview.
No filter.
No filter.
Just raw.
How are you bringing such a big, probably one of the top one vloggers? Tamuzirast.
Hasn't no, I can't wait. I'm just saying, hasn't like wheel.
I swear, wheel. Nataka na irlegi bona top one vlogger ya Zirast. Ile ku kana ngeng Star Cafe. Ki lo go batana le di ice cream. I'm like, hey man, must di money give almost. Di man.
Es war ki yoga yi.
Di money ki Wheezy.
Ozo git.
Enong braya hagrati. Welcome to Moiti Know Him or Her podcast.
Kalebo hot man.
Ebe ke kopana lo ena ke go briefa 2 minutes wa re Grootman I'm on.
Ga ona bothata.
Wa re bile batho ba ha ke gane a no ntshebetso ne batho ba ke gane mara batho ba ke batlo ke Grootman ke tla ba bona
bo tla ke re 2 minutes ke tla ke ji o lo go monate o cheats. It's an honor to be on this podcast. I've seen it. I've seen your content elena. So gore ebe ke ganne ne tlebele motlholo ga re bua nnete fe.
It's a privilege. It's a privilege and I'm not saying it as a joke, but vloggers I respect. Vloggers I know so much hard work iling more vlogging. But we'll backtrack. I want us to focus on Weezy. We know he's a blogger. He's a vlogger.
Correct.
Kimang motu otlisitting Weezy to where Weezy is. I want the man behind Weezy. His name and where he's from.
Me straight or the inspiration behind the persona we?
You
Okay.
straight and we can talk about the inspiration behind Weezy. But I think Arabo elogo leaning lago ID.
Okay.
Le gore o tswa kae o goletse kae.
Ai. Ga re betsa ka number plate straight jaanong ka leina ke Lethabo Mogotsi.
Yeah.
Ke tlhaga le go rutsi Velveragt. Unit 2.
Yeah.
I'm 22 years of age.
Man, you are young.
Hey. Santse ke le mmotlana. Santse ke le mmotlana.
A go te no. Go na le batho ba elong gore ditsebetse di sentsane di na le metsi. Di ba reng ka Setswana ke batla leina leo la Setswana. Mara go gore you are wet behind your ears.
Hey, ke itse go dialo len. Ai, guys, 22, still young. Hopefully, more years to come.
More years to come.
More life.
We need to be hopeful about what's more to come. Mo goreng o goletse ko Lefurutse, Velverdag.
Velverdag.
Ga o golela go unit 2. Unit 2 o ka se ore go
ke ka mo basha la.
O ke go basha. Mos ke o basha ke ma 2000 a August.
Isn't go wa wana behind complex.
Yeah.
Ke basha le Mountain View. Go dimo yana da na go Mountain View.
Wena da. So o goletse da. Gela.
Gelezitse ko RB local e fela fa ne ke tsoga Maxine 2 step. Ibile ke mo sekolong tlare. Wa bona. That was primary and then high school ke tsene mo Hoër Skool Ziraste.
Oh, bar Hoër Skool da gidi cheesy da.
Wa itso ilulwa ka lona na cheesy donti. Cheesy donti.
Bar ba o pagela borotso ka cheesy le paluni da. O tsene go bore da.
Wa itse tseo ke rutla ka batho nna ta cheesy le jana ha ke iske bo le jana gore ke batla
tola o tla go itse tshaba
serious cheesy ke maka tse
ne
serious.
And then Weezy o go Hoër Skool. Like a lot of people don't understand how difficult they are go tsena go Hoër Skool.
True.
Because wa fitla da o tshontshe anong o integrate into skolo sa makgowa ba elong gore maybe bila ba batla gore bole da. How was that for you?
I was about to speak on that one gore ga o tsolo kwa RB.
Yeah.
Makgwa wa tlwaetseng ke ba ba go ruta. And then the change from RB to Hoër jigi ba pile le go wa yanong go sekolong ga go rudi le ditaka. To be honest, the change was shocking because obala ka dilo. But until you experience them, it's a whole different thing. Obala ka dilo, you feel in that moment, you empathize, you sympathize, or move on until it actually happens.
It's close to you.
So,
I'm here.
It was a shock, that change. It was a shock both negatively and positively. Mari, there's no light without dark, so we tsaya ga ntse fela ithuto tseo wa tswela ka botse
gore ga na I ke tsene go kasi my whole life ne
before we expand on that ne I just want to say it on this podcast batho ba eleng gore ba irile Setswana go sekolong ke a le galla o itse goreng when it comes to matric certificate pampiri ya marematlo genuinely I think I have the most useless distinction mo lefatsheng ke na le distinction e one
e banna
ga o kwa ba dumela gore ke a eng
sante o re ga se burutlhe mo
ke Africans
he mona wa prata gontsana mon
wa ikina le 4 years ke denne se la so se ile le sone at least ha nke motho irile Setswana nke ke setse ka sengwenyana
anga be no re beta podcast
ke ke tswala go nna ke ntse ke re 2 expa ke ita ka Setswana fela go ile maranong ai
it is what it is.
It is what it is.
So bona wa bola ile or how that distinction mara
the most useless distinction ingine ngazama ke bona mo lefatsheng ke yami.
Yes.
Africans. But seeing as no yana, it's been years since ke feditse sekolo.
Yeah.
And every time ke bolela motho ka yone ne wa mpolela gore in some workplaces, especially given the industry what I'm about to venture into, it's gonna be useful.
It's gonna be useful.
Sharp.
Are we dirile mare tla go tswela mosola la terenya.
Fopele
fale o tla bona le wena gore ke atle ke rene easy. And that comes from experience ya ka as a person. Ya mana. Yes, how re ya 22 mana easy. Man, ke feel or ke madala yong. Yes, 37 mon.
37. 37 o sanzoli munzimbe. 37 nice le.
37 nice le. Because I've realized in my experience gore motho ga o dire anything, ga o ithuti anything abe o sa se dirise mo botshelong. Because botshelo ba gago bo sentsane bo le botelle as a person. Wa bona le nna ke 37. Botshelo ba ka bo sentsane bo le botelle. And gona le dilo tse ke di etsitseng ke le 22 that I felt were very useful, very useless. Mara gone no ke a tse ke bona gore wait na o neng fitla go spanning da ba ntha ba re ke go etsa coffee ke go tsa di print out to da ke wa dilo now are starting to make sense. Yes, back then entla ka ba ntwaela batho
ga ba go tseseng
ha ba ntse sharp, but now it's making sense in a way ya gore now I know that I must be disciplined, I must be diligent enough for I get go spanning. I treat people certain way also, like unobu akeradile so buileng gore they need to be dark for the light to exist and vice versa. Gore ha ke batle go treata ope go ke berekang teng go ke graduate ebe ke mo treata the way ne ke treatiwa ka teng, because no go santse sharp. Why would I do it to another person? So that changed perspective. Mo goreng o bua ka war school and ke go bolela re no, I have a bit of experience ya go tsena go environment ding e leng gore all of a sudden ke makgowa wa tsena da ke tsena go University of Pretoria ha ke tla go lebella I need to learn the area as it is. O goletse go Vili no walkela to school. Now things have changed. Either o tshwanetse palame transport o tle down. It's a different environment yo sa etloelang as motho tlang sekolo. Ha tsona ba mpetu ke makgowa no. It's another, it's just a situation.
Cultural change after change.
Shock after shock. So I can definitely attest to the fact that the struggle was real.
Yeah.
Mara mo godimo ga struggle, how did you get yourself out of that struggle, or how did you now have to make friends with makgowa, or did you say ere ke batle majida aga so that I can survive this period?
Nna ke motho mo dumelang gore ne ko bofelong you will attract what you are. So I didn't feel the need to make friends le bona. However, I did end up being friends le ba bangwe, and it was because of who I am.
Ne.
Because we resonate with each other, obviously. Ra go feletsa re, but I didn't feel the need to go out and make it a mission ya gore
yeah,
go skima mangam la ke tswa ka le fela gore ai nna ke go nna se se nnantse.
And that's how you survive. And gets a gore batho ba bantsi ga se the way ba lebelang lefatse ka teng. And wo tlo re lepotso a ka itsule yang gore ke na le kakanyo a gore o tshwantse gore you must get out of your way to make these friendships. But I like the way we approach ang ba fit Let it flow.
There's nothing that's going to reward you more life in here than just being who you are. That's why at the start of this interview, Girly, raw, no filter, harata go perform.
Because what we buy mo levating, la perform and more and wait, it's refreshing go gobana le 22-year-old who is conscious. But whoever nti ka 22 years old ra perform. We wanna be liked. We because on the social media, we wanna be followed. We wanna be forwarded. We make that the basis of who we are.
And at the same time, how it actually goes against you.
Mm-hmm.
Because we're a performer, the more you try and perform towards fitting a certain image, the further it pushes you away from that image. Because it's less of who you are. That's how I see it.
It's very... Hey man, and do you read too many books? Do you
watch too
many podcasts?
Podcasts? No, the podcast blind. Each, recently, yes, I found a niche when it comes to podcasts. I like comedy podcasts, but before finding this niche, I just liked listening. Because it says a lot about the person. How much is a fella, abua, you can gather so much. And I'm not saying it's all positive. Sometimes what is abu I like podcasts a lot. I used to read a lot. Cause gela after gela. Yeah, Mariano, when it comes to podcasts, they are more entertaining.
Yes.
The curveballs they come with, the buga, you find them to be boring and predictable. Plus, happy the phone attention span. So, not attention span, that's why it's yeah.
But I think ha something select or compensate something else.
Correct.
Because hona le batho ba bang ba ileng gore ga lebelle podcast epe ga bale ga socialize, which I find it very interesting ka wena gore yes, you might not be reading a lot, mara you socialize. Like ke go bona ke go ntshitse mo gare ga batho straight gore empe thu ke a bona go tsere conversation e serious.
Sure.
Mara can you spare me 30 minutes nyana le gore una le podcast king se long gore wa se ithuta mo bathong or from the podcast
king se long gore ke a se ithuta
or you like feeding off the energy from those things. That what kind of energy do they give you as a person?
I don't think it's a specific thing. And I don't think it's also about learning. I observe a lot, and apart from observation, I also absorb a lot. Like after observing, when I'm just in my own space, it comes back to me. From that situation, and what can I take from it? And I take what's useful, usefully, just look at.
And you run with whatever that is positive and useful. Because dinako tse dintsi o fitlhele e le gore batho ba bangwe they focus a lot on negative things by social media. And I'm using specifically social media because that's the space you are into. And that's the space that I want us to talk about. Because kifila gore you have found yourself in a position of influence.
Fortunately.
And a downplayer, you're in a position of influence.
Ke a zama ha ke bera ke slege
Ga slege gore ga motho o na le number tse o nang le tsone ko TikTok, motho ha na le number tse o nang le tsone ko Instagram, then it means you are doing something right.
Correct. True.
And it means people are resonating and feeding off a certain kind of energy from you ewenta. Ka gore ke na le tumela gore the more you absorb negative energy, the more you think negatively, wa go ntsha negativity. I don't know if you agree.
I agree, and at the same time, to get to that point, something a close friend of mine once said to me that I keep with me to this day. For some reason, the power of the negative always seems to outpower the power of the positive.
Yes.
Unfortunately. It's how it is.
That's how it is.
But as something but I just keep it in mind. So the cycle of negativity that people get trapped in, I empathize with them. I'm like, okay, it's because of this very reason.
Because of this very reason.
So sharp.
Yes. So Abofedza Kubur School.
Yes.
What is the mission?
The mission?
Yeah.
They'll tell you hore. Kanna go tsamikiwa. Le nna ne ke tshameka. Mare ga go te ba ba dileng ba kae? Nna ke badile. A ke nne ke tshameka mara nna ke badile.
Ne wizi wena no juta bana.
Ne ke sa ba juti. Like mo le mo na le, you have to be strategic mo life wa bona. Nna ke je sama utho ra bras la utho ra gate go na le event ka mosokola tutus. Let's can check go Friday. Ke ne be ke ja nwati. Ka o sane sa tarata before event ke ja nwati gape. Ai masuku late ra ka o fe la tutus. Sunday hali goga ja nwati. Monday ga o tla re mo kana nna ga ke a bala ko monna o bo bereka yang ka ndang. Re wile yang ka ndi.
Bona o izo feliste bana ba ba.
Ai fortunately aba faila. A lot of the people I kept close to me.
Yeah.
Because you are the sum of the 5 people you spend most of your time with. They ended up adopting my methods. So
it's very interesting for you. Actually, we are the sum of the people that you are close to. How na le batho ba negative thata lwena o tswayana. How na le matagwa lwena o joina muzabalazo. But the more you keep people who are positive in your life, you ultimately realize hore entleke batho ba tle ba complain ka mathata entleke ga gona mathata mo sohoi.
Yeah, your whole perspective change.
So the company that you keep, Majida, they're doing well for themselves.
Yeah,
in their own right, in their own spaces.
In their own spaces. You feel alright. Dulodina meze sporo. A few hiccups here and there, marai. Ke botselo.
Nah, and ke botselo because batho ba banke ba ntumela, especially I do a lot of motivational talks with this girl. Ke ba ra ke re reality sets in half is a grade 12.
Skabu. No sanzoro wa botsa ke ra gore yan what was the mission? To answer your question, the mission was Zaga for now. And since vele nike se slege ya lo monwati. Ai. Fortunately, I got accepted into a varsity. The course I get tlhopileng ha go ra ke the mission was Zaga.
Yeah.
Ke tlhopile strictly based off of research and entire bo. Wa bala khoso e Zaga. So yeah, to answer your question, the mission after Sgela bo ke batla khoso fele yang humpolisa bo mokotla bona I happened to pick metallurgical engineering.
Okay. It means
na ke out just STEM ke wela ka for science da wa bona so
endleke batho ba go tshebelle sharp.
If you take me at face value you'll think batho
ba go bone ndeke wizor o solve x jo how motho le gara the Mets lead.
Bo, and alone ngao bole se ditla ba marai. That's a topic different. Yeah.
And then I guess,
I ended up not doing the course though. Something sailing horne I am aware of Nuyana that I don't think is given much of a platform is how the system is kind of against us, which is a cliche. I know everyone says the system is against us, but back to my point, until you actually get to experience something, that's when you'll realize, the system that's set up for me
is not for me.
I ended up not doing the course without revealing too much because of finances.
Okay.
I wasn't excluded.
Yes.
And something I want to talk about when it comes to finances, especially for people who are going to watch this by longer days left to go to Bovacity.
Yes.
A decision I made when I completed just 1 year with UJ, I made that decision solely based off of what I felt would be the repercussions. My parents were willing to do what any parent would do. Take study loans, but when you look at the rise of posts when they're close to finishing their studies, UCT, $500,000. I did not want to find myself in such a situation.
Yeah.
Whereby even after Obala kosa go ya metallurgy, mukotla o teng o starta ka sekoloto sa $500,000.
And that's a reality that we live in.
So I had to make that decision. For like, okay, it's fine. I'm gonna stick it out for this year. I'm gonna plan, and next year I'm gonna change. And things worked out that way. I made the best possible move for me on the chessboard after my first year with UJ. So yeah, after metallurgy, I changed. I went into mechanical engineering, which is another topic I'm not gonna dive deep into? But I'm just gonna say to anyone who's gonna watch the podcast, but the TVET college. TVET colleges, I decided the funds they are not as strenuous as diversity. So I was like, hanga go balada, langa stata school, it's certainly not $500,000. So changed my second year after high school. Mechanical engineering. Yeah, mechanical engineering ko Taletso ko Mafike.
Flip. How did that on its own then, Weezy, affect you mentally? Okay, like I'm asking this from a mental health point of view.
I think that was probably the best decision I've ever made for myself. Because, like I said, if anything, more life you should always pick the best move on the chessboard. And at that point, I realized midway through, no, if I'm making the right decision, because in the long run. So
because but and that's where the question comes from, Weezy. But wabanzi batle ba fila gore ke go Bovacity ke dropela to TVET. Flip, I failed.
It's a chat I had with my friends. I was like, but bayas gela kobo Jozi lebo Debe ne Cape Town, no? And they get there, they realize this is not a wise move, but fear of perception, before get the decision to change second year. Na fela first few weeks ke phone la go ha gora na ke a bua
na ke sharp
fa e ka re ke ba easy wa ntlhaloganya. Thankfully, they talked me through it. It was an experience. It's an experience I needed. Since Vela I had spent 18 years of my life. I needed to move at some point.
At some point.
Feel the discomfort.
Yes.
I'm glad on that part, but I was like, okay, Ke a go change mara next year e be ke ba fa mabaka and they were like, okay, these are very valid reasons. Ipoele gae if you feel okay, this is the best move for you.
Ne.
E be nna gore ai. Gore batho ba go tsaya gore ne ke le go Jozi no yana ke ile mmafo. Or ne ke le go UJ no yana ke a taletso. Fear of perception is something se leng gore
batho
ga se mphitlhelele like right through. Obvious ke motho. Sometimes being perceived wa tshaba. Mara nna I limit it so much.
Ne.
And I don't even want to say it in an arrogant way. Mara I care less what people think. But more of what I think and what I think is best. If there's people ba eleng gore ke go khatalla gore ba reng e ka nna ba eleng gore ba mpela phaletše mo tafoleng gore ba ke phelang le bona.
Mara otherwise I khona re ga lapa mon. Gore batho ba tla reng ke ke re batho ba tla reng ke bolwetse bo serious ba gore batho ba tla reng ba siame and go bua nnete fela I'm of the same view as you gore screw what everybody says respectfully so respectfully so because batho ba tla reng go ba wena mo pressure and go bua nnete fela people have their own problems to worry about gore wena botshelo ba gago bo tsamaya.
That's the other thing. Wait, sometimes una stuck una ganne gore batho ba goreng ene the best way gore o tshwane le nna o ska kgathala thata ka gore batho ba gore nne you have to convince yourself gore you are not that important. Ga go no bo go shebileng
ga go no mai
sometimes o tlo gore batho ba gore batho ba feng mo le ba gan le mathata ga batho ga ba go sheba mabra. Whatever choice you make, do it, live with it. Simple.
Then you lived with it. You went to TVET College we later late. Ba re ke Maf Jozi. O tsilo go Jozi wa Maf Jozi.
Wa ntlhaloganye.
Ba re sa go Maf Jozi.
Nna ne ke ntse fela ana bra ne ke etse dibuka kwa nna. Tsa gore stoko maaka. Tsebe ke go aketsa. Serious, ne ke bala rofo na.
Ga se nna mona ke tuksega ga re ba go Maf ba loile ga bontle.
Ya go tla ba ta re bitse tuksire mmotse jaanong gore ka no re nkala ba ka le ba ntlhaloganye.
So o ganetsana le tuksenga ga entle
tuksi ke ene fela ka tlang go ikarabela nna tseo bo ga ke nixe di bo
no sa ela tseo ai ba go le ba ka se bodidide
wanne
then wa bona or no ere ke gele TVET ke gele Mafo ke pushe dideng ke ratile khanya gore you chose your own sanity over everything else that probably the world would have wanted you to go into that direction. Ngabe re sena motho o healthy mentally as you are, who is an independent thinker as you are
as well.
So that then it means how le ko mafikeng go that's where now re kopanang le motho go dingi
Wheezy vlogs. Wheezy khala le teng but the
vlogger,
the persona Wheezy vlogs ga ke le go Mafo, that's when a simollang gotla. He starts for me.
Yes. But what inspires the vlogger?
I had always liked vlogs, Mare, as a spectator.
Okay.
I had always liked them, but as a spectator.
Yeah.
Until this other time thing, 2024, the first year I know go Mafikeng.
Yeah.
I choose agana birthday. I can now tsa content, the picture, the video. We have a fun night. It was in.
Let yo. Nese khawrile.
Yaro. No swearing. That night was lit. So the following day, ga re ntse re potlile fela re le mauthi re ithoba matsadi a maabane ke nna o ke tlhakanya di-picture le di-video la tlhela music ke a e posta ke bontsha le mauthi ke bo monna nsendele ere sendela uthi yaka ne re blomile re le 3 ba sendela ba le 2 ba di posta batho ba commenta like mo di WhatsApp tsa bone le nna ke re ke postile go WhatsApp at that time le nna batho ba commenta gore this is cool. And then I was like, wait munna, I could actually go into vlogging since very I liked vlogs at the time. And Niki bua in passing fe. Bayano, I have this other friend. There man no ska bua in passing fe la halite. Like he's intentional. He's a very intentional friend. Person. Wabon. A week goes by, 2 weeks goes by. Honale an event. Oh, you need. Can now happen. Try the picture, the video. That event, the thing.
Lead.
Swile. Following day, hora choose anyway expect delay. Hora. Na ibile hageda. He's like, munna kan dia no saru simula. I was like, ntwana ho vala go din nigi wiso ko bona batho ba commenta yana He's like, bo ntwana apa. Kyape. And then he was like, this time harbe mo WhatsApp fe. La tlhela mo bo Instagram. Ke nna o ka la tlhela mo bo Instagram. Video la ke sna la tlhela mo Instagram. I think after a day it got like 2,000 views. Which to me at that time was like 2,000 man. Hovorar ke ntswem buhannes kara mana samponsa. Hovorar ke ntswem. But then again, ebigi khatolosa hape khanya choose ke ha ba hape hora monna kanti no sare wa simulla ka
go etse
so shout out KG Cooks. He's the friend. KG Cooks. Yeah, KG Cooks is the friend. KG is so intentionally. He's like, that's one thing I like so much about him. Like, he's an intentional person.
Holds you accountable.
Holds me accountable in all regards. So hagi khaduliste alo hape usimolanje sa hora bontwana kana bo plan ke o tshentsa leina no yana find yourself a name. Bo how kana consistent ka di day batho ba tlhola bua ka bone ba vlogger ba etsa 1 2 3 lo ena o ka etsa 1 2 3 again now I come up with the name Wheezy Vlogs. Ke simolla ke ichuda ke lo go boresela whether I'm cleaning, studying, just because the thing about vlogging depending on what angle you want to use to find your niche. You don't have to do a lot. That's why I like it. You can just showcase your daily life, and the people that resonate with it, they'll jump ship from whatever they'd been focusing on to your content. So I wouldn't next size video the wow like that. I was just showcasing my daily life. Okay. Kiauti, kikelas gela, tra kreile na goyana pola se. Razana around the just shoot it even that's how the whole content thing came about.
So it did not come from he giwuni Grace Mondlana, he giwuni ngana gibumamuna khona le bomamuna in this business of vlogging yalona.
Grace Mondlana
Bopilane bo Katlego Pilane bo mangma.
Shout out Katlego and shout out Taisitole because the first ever vlog I saw was by Katlego. And Elaine, he wasn't doing a lot. Na bontsha money routine fela ya spanning wa jiga from spanning 17,000 likes. It shows you what the more showcase something selling or resonate le batho. You don't have to do much. You'll attract what you are. So that was the first vlog I ever saw. Come follower and then Ogila about how similar follower a certain type of niche. Your algorithm blows up.
You're like, le 1,000 subscribers, followers.
The inspiration was definitely from Katlego and Taisitole. I don't know if you know Taisitole.
I've heard about him. I don't know.
Gracie. Grace is probably, objectively speaking, the best content creator we have, Momzanzine. Mara na my goals will forever be Thailand. Katlego. My goals will forever be Thailand.
You're putting it out there.
I'm also putting it out there because my hot man I'm feeling the logo Instagram or TikTok. So hopefully I don't take it for granted. Yeah, my hot man.
Salute.
Ragaufe. It's fine.
That's interesting, Horo. Majida, because you know, vlogs, when vlogs started or vloggers, it was mainly girls, women, knowing that they've got time to take pictures, videos here and there, but something. So when it comes from Majida, it's like, wow. And any struggles that comes from being a vlogger in your world? What are the struggles
that come with a vlogger?
Yeah.
No, yana because resti Rebonindawa Shapo.
Yeah.
I'm fortunate enough to have recently monetized my stuff. So I'd say the struggles after ke monetizer. There's a certain level of consistency you need to keep. Unlike when I wasn't monetizing it, when I would go 3 weeks I post and I wouldn't have to worry about keeping my engagements up.
Yeah.
No,
so analytics plays a very crucial role.
Analytics, you need to understand them so much. You need to constantly keep people hooked to your content.
Wow.
The engagement always needs to be up. The quality of your content, it keeps you on your toes. Also, it's about something saying previously it has given you 1 million views and boma 300,000 likes.
Yes.
They're expecting the next piece.
It's world class.
So the moment I start was algorithm thoma go sa go favor and if for someone you are monetizing this thing,
it becomes a problem.
So the consistency, number one.
So people must know this thing is not a game.
It gets to a certain point there whereby you realize
So muna Wheezy, this whole social media and monetization, to talk about it, it means you need to be always disciplined, always be on time, always make sure that at the end of the day, abe ele gore batho ba bua ka wena and about your content.
Correct.
Or else you will be eaten for lunch.
Attention spans are on due to phones. It's gone. So the moment fella you spend a certain amount of time on to vela mo screens are people forget you just So I just like that fella, you're forgotten. So that's why you always need to be. That's why I spoke about consistency.
Yes.
You need to be very consistent.
Very consistent. And then you monetize. Monetize comes with so much pressure, but that kind of pressure is the pressure that's needed to build the empire that you wanna build. Your vlogs. You've worked with Telkom.
Shout out Telkom. Yeah, I'm paid partnerships. Yeah, I've worked with Telkom. They are my most recent. I've worked with LiveScore. Yeah. And it was 2 months back. After 2 years of vlogging.
I was about to say Mara, why is it for 2 years?
I was more consistent. keeping up with the quality and as far you reap what you sow ke iponetse le nna 2 months back
gore this is
something se leng gore ha nka gatella mo go sone
go a go berekega
ga go spa.
So I'm very proud of what you are doing.
Thank you.
I'm very proud of your discipline, consistency ya gago le gore o itse so se batlang mo botshelong. Because batho ba le bantsi ga o le mo dingwageng tse re le mo go tsone, it's easy for us to say I've got 50, 100 more years to live because re phela ka illusion. But what is the goal with this whole thing?
The goal is sanse tsona le mdeito le ke tlhapa khoso kwa high school. Mokotla ka wa hit.
Agora goal e fita yi.
Mo, and I'm not even money driven, eh?
Yeah.
Like there's definitely morals and principles I would not sacrifice because money is in the conversation.
Yes.
However, Zaga is the end. Zaga remains the end goal. And ke bona ga re githoletse cash cow ya ka, so without saying too much
Gadalla lefura ndan.
ke gatella le
That is what now we are planning to do.
bo tunnel vision.
Yes. No man. Negere ke nelo ena today Wheezy. Ke gore ke re ra go bona. Ke gore ke re ra go utlwa. Ke gore ke re man modimo ka re aka go keletsa ka masego le matlhogonolo in whatever that you touch.
Thank you very much.
Because auti e sharpu, undwane e sharpu, and indwane zedi sharpu deserves a break mo botshelong. And the break that I'm talking about, it's the money. Ulobata zaga, it is a zaga, it's the money.
Yes, var.
It's the money, it's the opportunities, is the soft life that people who are not doing an honest job are getting. So tletseo ke karata go gora ke re rona re le moitsi podcast ke gore ke re Wheezy masego le matlhogonolo modimo a go keletse, and we appreciate you and we love you for raising the flag ya velvedagte ya lefurutsi ya ziraste ka kakaretso.
Ke le ba hot man.
Anything that you wanna say in closing?
Anything that I want to say. Hakizi if I should get sentimental or ki re metlaenyana. That's why you gotta get sebakana. Mara in the spirit of metlae. Ne ke re ke le betsa ka word of the day fela.
The better the word of the day.
Word of the day go re. Ga o sa otlo Wheezy. O ka nna re tshumia ba.
Ga o sa batle gore Wheezy o re chomi ya bana.
Es var.
Na Wheezy, I've totally enjoyed this. It was a spontaneous interview. Ga ke tswalla ke atle ke re nna ke lela ke khosimang. O nne le pelo e ntle fa o le motho, o nne le pelo e tshweu, o nne le pelo e telle, o nne le pelo e tletseng bopelonolo. Go nne pelo e tletseng bopelonolo ke yone pelo e tletseng bo modimo mo go yone. Gore etle e re motho yo fothoko ga gago ga o itse gore o tsamaya tsela e batlapa go le go kana kang. O tlo mo fe pelo yeo e tletseng bopelonolo. Ga o mo ineile, o mo neile modimo. Nna ka nosi ke atle ke re tla kopana gape mo nakong e tlang fa modimo le badimo ba ratile. Salam.